Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I am back with a project share. I finally made my backpacks. So I made three. I do have to make a couple more because I plan on doing some Happy Meal soon. But these are just kind of the ones that I was learning on, and so I just finished them off. Anyway, I have specific people in mind, and that's why they're very shabby looking. But I just thought I would share it. I was having a hard time assembling it, but I did follow Christian's Crafty Adventures. She does a good tutorial on it. I think I just am messy, so not easy for me to do these. But anyway, so the person I'm giving this to, she likes a lot of lacy stuff. So I did line the straps with lace instead of making it like double paper. I added this dangly lace. Is that more focus? Okay, I did put the dangly lace on the sides and also at the top, and then I added this. This is an old Prima flower that I still had in my stash, and I know it's like time I start using stuff. So I did add that to the front top along with some pink leaves, and then I just added some of that same pom-pom trim, a lace trim that I used on the straps. And then I did do like a little dangle, just a small one. This is the first one that I did. So anyway, so that's the first one that I made. And then the second, I don't know, I made them all at the same time. So this one, oh sorry, this one was using the Prima Love Story collection. I really like this paper, and I think I must have used it a lot because this is the last of it. So I'm so sad because that was my favorite sheet out of the whole thing. But I did use this one with the hearts for the front, because then I thought, since I'm gonna cover it up, it's okay if it's not the same. And then this one is that apricot and honey or something. I forget the name of the paper pad, but it's more peachy pinkish colors, so you can use peach or you can use pink. Here's the dangle charm that I made to go with it. I did put a butterfly charm on it since there's a lot of butterflies on this particular paper pad. As you can tell, I used the butterflies for the front, and then I added on this I guess it's like a little patch paper butterfly that I just got from AliExpress. And then I used all my flowers from my stash. They're just a combination of Prima and like Wild Orchid Crafts and I Am Roses, and just all over the place. I did add some lace trim here and then also on the straps. So that's this one. And then the last one I made was, I tried to use more purpley kind of colors, but it looks more pinkish purpley. And I really like this paper. This is like a Peon Designs or Maja, M-A-J-A, Maha. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, and this is like coordinating papers that I used with it. So these are old, I don't know if it's, I don't think it's Prima. It might be Michael's. I can't remember, but I had a set of these like pearly pink kind of flat flowers, and I had pre-layered them. I hot glued them together, so it was pretty easy. I just had to arrange it, and then I added on these are like Sade and Crystals by Prima, and then I added on some old Prima leaves, and then I used another one of the butterflies here, and then here's another flower here. Oops, sorry, I keep hitting the camera stand. I did use some lace over there, and then this one I just mounted the straps. So this is that, I think it's the opposite side. Yeah, see, it's the opposite side of this floral print. And then here's the charm. So I tried to use more like lavender colors. Lavender, white, and pink. So that is my project share. Like, I'm super proud of how they all came out. And I will be filling these with some goodies. But it was not that easy like how Christian makes it look. Like I said, I need to make a couple more, so this was just more of my practice ones, but I'm pretty happy with how they came out, even though I feel like I struggled a little bit. It's always nice to go back to your shabby roots, because I haven't done like a shabby sheet project in a very long time, so I actually had to dig to find my laces and flowers and all that stuff. So anyway, oh, the other thing that I wanted to mention was some of the paper pads that I was using was like this one was an was it an A4? I think it might have been an A4. And so they weren't, like this one was 12 by 12 paper, but these weren't, and so I wasn't sure if I had to make it 12 inches long. I think it was like just shy of 12 inches. So I did patch it, and so I ended up patching it like underneath, and I tried to like chop off the side so that the seam would be just on the bottom so you wouldn't see it. But now that I think about it, because it overlaps so much, I don't know that I really needed, see, look, it looks ugly right there, but I don't know if I really needed to do that. I think the length was enough. Maybe if you use a 6x8 pad, you would have to patch it, but if you're using the A4 pad, I don't think you need to. Like, I think you'd be fine. So anyway, just a tip in case you're using one of those paper pads, like I did. Alright, well, that is what I have to share with you today, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!